If you're watching this video, it's because you're trying to determine how much then you were able to make in sales for the first week. That's because you've already done the previous part. Partner 2 is now going to take the same exact sales number, expand it, but this time only focus on this section right here, which is C, which is also why week 1 C1 is a totally different piece of paper. So the first thing I need to do is take 653 and write it in expanded form. A 6 in the 100s means that's worth 600. A 5 in the 10s is worth 50. And a 3 in the 1s is worth 3. Multiplying that by $63 when separated and written in expanded form is 60 plus 3. I hopefully gave the students enough workspace here to then create a neat area model that they can separate into 3 sections to find the 6 partial products that we'll do for you now. Their numbers will obviously be different than my numbers because these were just example numbers. So step 1 is to multiply my 60 times my 3. 6 times 3 is 18, but recognizing that this is 60 and not 6 makes it 180. 6 times 5 is 30. 5 has a 0 in it. 6 has a 0 in it. That makes it 3,000. 6 times 6, 2 6s walked into the desert. They became thirsty 6s. And I've got 3 zeros, so that's 36,000. Well, I can already tell just by comparing this to the other slide that I'm going to make significant money. That's because in our first slide, it only cost $12,000, which seemed like a lot of money. However, now that I see how much I'm able to charge for it, that is a lot more money. Now I multiply the bottom. 3 times 3 is 9. 50 times 3 is 150. 6 times 3 is 18. And my 2 zeros gives me 1,800. So now, this partner who is responsible for taking these partial products, multiplying correctly, will put them in their workspace here. 36,000. Add 3,000. I like to add the biggest numbers first, so the next one's going to be 1,800. 180 and 150. And finally, 9, which will give me my final answer. In my 1s, I'm left with 9. In my 10s, I have 8 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, carry my 1, put 3 in my 10s. 8, 9, 10, plus 1 more is 11, then a comma. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 3 plus 1 is 4. Which means in the first week, the total amount I made in sales was $41,139. Pretty good compared to the fact that I sold it for $13,713. In the next couple of videos, what you're going to do is actually see how you determine what the actual profit was. If you want to learn more about profit, sales, and margins, just watch the videos on this website.